So I have the trifold mattress from FurryWee.
Free. Now, in this video, I'm just gonna go over some of the top questions I was seeing for this. I saw, is the cover removable? Second question I was seeing is this true to size? So I have a twin size mattress. I'll show you that. And the second question, or third question I was seeing is this actually comfortable enough to sleep on? So I'm 6 feet tall, 200 pounds. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm laying on it. But for that first question, is the cover removable? So yes, there's gonna be a zipper in the back here. You can zip it off and remove it. So I actually demoed at this point now quite a few of these different kind of trifold mattresses. And this is actually one of the few ones with that zip off cover that's removable. So if you're looking for that, this will check that box for you. And now for the second question, is it true to size? So yes, this can be a twin size one. And as you can see, I am 6 feet tall. I can spread all the way out on it, sleep comfortably, and I'm good to go. And now for that third question, is it actually comfortable? So yes, this can be 4-inch memory foam right in here. So I'm 200 pounds. I could sit on this even on my tile floor, and it's not uncomfortable or anything. It just feels like I'm sleeping on a bed that's on an actual bed frame. So overall, this has been working out awesome for me personally. When I have friends over or company, I just like to bring this out and they can sleep on it. I don't have to blow up an air mattress or mess around with that. So I love that about it. And then when you're done, you can just fold it right back up and you're good to go. I think it would work awesome also in like a game room too. If you got kids, you can sit on it, turn it into like a reclining type chair. And then when you got to wash it, just take the cover off, wash it, bring it back, and you're good to go. So overall, I'm super happy with this. Does the job exactly as it should. No assembly, you just take it out of the box, give it a couple hours to take shape, and you're good to start using it. So give it 2 thumbs up.